A Florida appeals court affirmed Monday a lower judge's ruling that a 16-year-old minor in the state cannot get an abortion, based on a law requiring parental consent for minors, forcing the teenager to carry her pregnancy to term as such consent laws come under increasing scrutiny in the wake of Th. The plaintiff in the case was denied an abortion even after stating her legal guardian is fine with what she wants to do, Makar noted. If the guardian had stated that in a written waiver, it would have allowed Doe to obtain an abortion without going to court. It's unclear why she sought the court's permission instead of her guardian's, and whether seeking her guardian's written permission could be a way for her to still terminate her pregnancy. 36. That's the number of states that have parental consent laws in place for abortions, according to the pro-abortion rights Guttmacher Institute, and 35 have a judicial bypass provision like Florida's that allows minors to seek permission in court. Some of those laws are now nullified, however, given that a slew of states have now banned abortion entirely in the wake of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Instead of trusting and listening to her, the state forces her to give birth, Florida State Representative Eskamani, D., tweeted Monday. In that case, a lower judge initially denied the minor's request, using her low GPA as a justification for why she was not mature enough to terminate the pregnancy. The Second Circuit Court of Appeals then overturned that judge's ruling, however, and granted the waiver for an abortion. Florida is now one of the only states in the Southeast where abortion remains largely permissible, though the state now bans abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy, and has been a major access point for abortions as neighboring states have banned the procedure. Americans ages 19 and under made up 8.9% of all abortion patients nationwide in 2019, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and NPR notes the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade and parental consent laws have now made it increasingly hard for many minors to access care. Minors traveling out of state to obtain abortions may have to avoid states where the procedure is legal but requires parental consent, for instance, giving them fewer options of where to go. Teenagers like Doe who are denied abortions in their own states also face additional logistical barriers when it comes to traveling out of state for an abortion as compared with adults, like a lack of income or transportation.